Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about one of the concepts of Python programming. It is indentation. So indentation is the simplest concept. To learn, watch this video till the end. So indentation. So let's see what is indentation. Before we move on to the topic, subscribe my channel. Also don't be forgotten to click on the bell icon, click like the video and also share the videos. So to learn indentation, the definition is you're using Python. Every programming language doesn't have indentation, but Python has. Python uses whitespace such as spaces and tabs. If you look at an if-else statement, then it will be left at some of the spaces and tabs. That's represented as indentation. So Python uses whitespace such as spaces and tabs to define program blocks, whereas other programming languages like C, C++, Java uses curly braces. I will make sure I will be uploading that what is C++ and Java also and how it uses the indentation. C++ not uses the indentation, Java also not uses the indentation, C also not uses the indentation. Instead of that, they are using the curly braces to indicate the blocks of the code for class, functions or body of the loop and block of selection command. To select the particular block of the program, they might use curly braces some of the programs, but Python specifically uses as indentation, the spaces and tabs to define the program blocks. The number of white spaces and tabs in the indentation is not fixed, but all statements within the block must be indented with same amount of spaces. What you understand in this line is that indentation in Python is not fixed for everything. It differs for every code of the every code block it differs. But all statements within the block must be indented, must be left with space and tabs. But it is not mandatory for everything. Some of the thing uses the indentation, and just like curly braces, if we want if else statement in C++, we are using the curly braces with ending also with the curly braces. Here in Python, it uses as indentation with spaces and tabs with the same amounts of space. So to demonstrate the indentation in Python, here the environment are, suppose I am using a equals to 1, and if I want to implement if else statement here, if a less than 1, to demonstrate the indentation I am just using this if else concept. Here it uses you might see that it left it some of the space, some of the amount of space, and that is known as indentation. This same the first statement, if we implement in C++, it will be inside the curly braces, and this is how the indentation works. So if I say print, it left some of the space here before print, and that's known as indentation, guys. Print true, let's say false, because it is, and we know that this false. And it's also left some of the space before I enter to the next line, that is the indentation. If I print here else, then it will throw an error because of the indentation left there. So I want to execute completely if else statement. I just wanted to clear that indentation what I left it here. So if a is less than 1 colon print false, I want to clear this indentation because this is not the intention to require here, because one intention is required for every code block. So if I clear this, then it will be accept the else statement. Else, yes, it accepts. Before print, it will also be included as the intention. You might look at, you can see here before print at the board of the program, if also and else also, it left some of the space, amount of space, and that space is referred as indentation. So if I enter here and again enter, it will be printed as true, because a is 1 and which is not greater, which is not less than 1. So here's how the indentation works in the entire program of Python. So to learn these kinds of concepts, stay tuned with me, stay tuned with my channel, and don't be forgotten to share this video and also to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much.